Hey, hello everyone. Hope you're doing good. Yesterday we discussed about impromptu speaking or on the spot speaking at your workplace. Impromptu speaking is all about thinking on your feet, quickly organizing your ideas and articulating your thoughts. I agree, impromptu speaking can be challenging for most of us. But let me tell you, you can master the art of impromptu speaking or on the spot speaking with consistent practice. So today I'll be sharing 2 tips on how you can better tackle impromptu speaking at your workplace. Tip number 1. Have a clear-cut structure in your mind when you begin to speak impromptu. Let me give an example to make you understand this. Imagine your boss asks you to convince your client to buy your product. So how will you go about? You need to have a clear-cut structure. So you will start off by introducing your product in 1 to 2 lines. Keep it brief, keep it short. Then tell about the problems. What problems are your customers facing? Then tell how you can solve the problem or your product can solve the problem. And finally, end with a summary, a short summary of all the recap of the product details and also a good call to action. What you want your client to do or how it can benefit your client. They can increase their revenue or increase the business growth. So put a clear message or call to action as well. So have a clear structure in your mind when you are speaking impromptu. Here I have used the problem, solution and way ahead approach. There are many other techniques as well. So for today we'll just take the problem, solution and way ahead approach. So tip number 2. Tip number 2, what I want to say is whenever you are speaking impromptu, don't try to ramble. Or don't try to beat around the bush. We all have a habit of speaking endlessly, giving away unnecessary details. So let's avoid that. Okay? Be brief, be to the point, use short sentences and only give away important details. Okay? So next time when you are asked to speak impromptu in your workplace, try to use these 2 tips. That is, have a clear-cut structure and do not ramble. I hope these tips were helpful for you. Do try them at your workplace and let me know the results of the same. So we have just finished day 10 of the 30-day Facebook Live challenge. I can't imagine we have come so far. It's already been 10 days. So thank you everyone for tuning in. So feel free to follow me on my social media platforms and connect with me directly if you want to know more about my upcoming workshops. So I'll be shortly coming out with workshops on communication. So feel free to connect with me. Tomorrow I'll be back with yet another topic on communication. Until then, it's Devi, your communication coach, signing off. Take care everyone. Have a great day, or the day is almost over, so I'm going to say good night. Take care everyone.